Howdy, howdy, howdy. Y'all, how's it going today? Hope you guys are having a great day today. I myself am having an excellent one so far, but, you know, it's all about how you guys deal with it, right? Well, hello. Alright, let me quickly go through here to the point when I can turn that off there. And there we go. But how are y'all doing tonight? Coming close to 3 months, absolutely. 2 months, 28 days, 18 hours. It's gonna be in 2 days. You guys just waiting to cook dinner? Oh, nice. Well, excellent, excellent. Hope you're having a good time. And have a blessed time setting food. I don't even understand why that was playing, but you know, it happens. Nurse have arrived. Welcome, Yerson. Hello. Clear queue, yes. There we go. Okay, that's better. And so, yeah, today we're going to be doing a bit more of Raid. Hopefully progressing a little bit more. I'm not sure if we're doing Heroic or Normal tonight, but I'm pretty sure given like our progress for like the last few weeks, we're probably doing Heroic again. But, you know, it's fine here. Love you, Zero. Absolutely. But I'm doing fantastic, Mirson. How about yourself? Can I get a quick shout out for Mirson, and then follow up with a shout out for Zero? Never mind. I'll do it myself.
I have like 120.
For sure, I'll hydrate in just a second. In fact, keep a look at this if you're right here. I gotta quickly grab some more water. Hey Elad and hi Yoki. How are you guys doing tonight? Arctic as well, yes. I'll be right back.
I'm laughing at that. It's no way you're laughing at me saying giga shit for megaphone.
I'm up here, okay? Yo, we got this lady right here. Oh, give me a second. Unless it says I fuck. Dude, he probably does fuck. Am I not good enough for you? What are you talking about? Please elaborate. Please elaborate. I need an elaboration, Arctic. I need a severe elaboration. We have to do better.
There we go. I'm okay, and you? Yeah, hello, howdy. I said Arctic, come on. Hope you guys are having a good time. I think that's all good with those pieces. I don't understand why we're getting a shout out to me, but you know, it happens. Thanks for the shout out for Zero though. Fire drop onto your desk. Alright. You start running across it, that's the second time recently? Damn. And you just texted your friend, it's 3:49 AM. Are you doing awake? It's probably about time for me to undeafen in Discord. I just get me back on my own stream? I'm confused.
What do people want to do? They want to do Heroic first, or do they want to do Normal first?
We're skipping to Nelth this week, right?
Yeah, we would skip again.
My vote is Heroic.
Heroic.
Yeah.
I'm kind of afraid of why you want this, Jeff, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, Heroic it is.
He needs it for the fire resist, clearly.
He needs it to get a treasure chest, he says. Are you here in Zaralak Caverns? It works in Zaralak Caverns. That is insanity. apparently an Onyxia skill cloak can help you with the treasure chest at Zeralek.
Okay, from being wired off Shadowflame.
Don't you have an Onyxia skin?
Illyria, it's your birthday. You can decide.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
She's 21 again.
Yep, 21.
One.
Drinks on me, let's go!
I'm sorry, threesomes don't count as drinks.
Glass makes a good point about defeating Sakura twice in a row, so let's just blaze on through normal and then we can move on. Well, I mean, y'all also felt like last week really was a slog.
How was that?
A slog.
And hungry, just waiting to make dinner. Yeah. I saw.
Perfect.
I guess Merson as well. Checking. But yeah, it's a birthday. It's Illyria's birthday. One second.
Oh, I need to make sure I repair. Okay.
There we go. But yeah, we'll hydrate here for Kyoki now.
Grab some coffee. Happy birthday.
So, for all of y'all around these parts who are new, feel free to join along. I got some water today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking. So feel free to join in and let's grab some hydration.
Oh. Not a
Nice.
sea of glass. It's changed back. Nope.
Yeah, change back to what?
Look at his Discord name. I'll give you a hint.
Oh,
There is
I
no
saw-
Dan in this
that's-
channel.
Yeah, I saw that earlier.
Thank you for the dehydrate night. I love being knocked dead. But yeah, happy birthday, Merkson. Hope you have a good birthday. Enjoy yourself. Also, you, Knight, as well. Have a great birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, you
Master,
were
let's go.
You are very quiet.
Talk louder. Be more sort of.
Getting an invite or something?
Well,
I
you had to
suppose.
been online for an invite.
I was on.
Our lines are breaking.
I didn't get invited and I was online.
Permission to suggest an alternate tactic? During my time serving Neltharion, I assisted him in creating
Did.
a powerful and
I did as well.
one of these instruments could be a,
Raise your hand if you need an invite.
though it may not distinguish
Everyone
between
turns on their
threat.
camera. Raises their hand.
What is this power? In the quest to perfect Neltharion's armor, we went through many iterations. This is one of our
C'est
more
mignon.
successful attempts.
Mignon. Je suis mignon.
It will be more than
Oui, je pense que
enough to destroy
je suis, mais non.
ruins, but our troops are still out there.
Toi aussi.
Their names will ever be remembered.
You get all these stupid little loot things that you can't actually loot. So annoying.
I require a target.
Oh, just this one guy.
Happens. What happens if I go pull the rest of the dragons?
Do it. Never mind. You one-shot them. Good job, Chris.
I did.
This is normal.
We are normal.
Lockrock?
Ooh, Lockrocks would be good.
Yeah, Lockrocks.
You're not doing heroic today?
We will.
We will after normal.
Are you online, Nico?
I will be in a moment. Character.
Did you get my mail, Nyan?
What mail?
That answers that
Happy
question.
birthday, Smirson, of course.
The funds
Absolutely.
from the BOE sale.
Yeah, okay.
Clearly.
Yeah. When you said what mail, I knew immediately you had not.
Are we doing
A bunch of mods, absolutely. All of the mods, all around.
Anyway, I sent you 13k from selling the BOE that Amblar gave me to.
So appreciate it, absolutely. Always here for you.
Hopefully that helps. Damn. You sad kitty.
Come to me, serpent. Together, we will destroy these intruders.
Sorry I wasn't here Thursday. Kinda lost track of time. There was some things in the house.
All good.
Oh, I'm an evil goat man.
Perfect.
I am so tired.
Why are you so tired? What happened?
I had 2 hours of sleep last night. I had a long day.
That is not healthy.
No.
Gamer.
I just took a 45-minute power nap and here I am. Yay.
What a trooper.
Trooping along.
Trooping along.
Alright, everybody's ready. Let's get all through this.
Put on your boss killing music.
3, 2, 1.
Montage.
I assume for 9 that is the Hands Sports music.
Riffs.
Let the waves of time push back in. Watch your step. Laser on you. Watch your steps. Watch your feet. Watch your step.
Breath.
That knight's nuts face.
Push back in. Watch your step.
Watch out, your agony will be greater, guys.
Watch your step.
Breath.
Target you. Push back and watch your feet. Laser on you. Run. Watch your step.
Nothing here is useful for me, so we'll just keep going.
Its grip weakens to sucker its wields power that can tear it on my
Hello, Yeti. Howdy. How's it going today?
no such
Welcome, welcome.
sinister forces are awakened.
Click on the lava sluice.
Your presence. Father, I am but an echo.
You're gonna invite?
I cannot stop intruders from attempting to plunder my secrets. Now that my heirs have arrived, we can ensure no outside craves.
It's good. Hope I'm well. I absolutely am.
Let's see what we got here.
Soon you have heard
Feeling good.
many stories of this place and the role it played in my downfall. Do not let them temper your perception.
Got some male gloves.
These halls are yours.
Oh god, I'm going for a ride.
And the outsiders must not be allowed to take them from you.
Secure our perimeter. Rathian, I will take a contingent down these halls and root
That
out
was an
Zagreus.
evil laugh.
You take the other path and see what you can find.
Don't worry, we'll summon you.
I shall accompany both of you and lend what aid I can.
That's a lot of laughter from Glass.
Hello, Jerry. Hello. Howdy. How are you doing today?
He used this movement ability which gave him so much forward momentum.
Thank you. Thank you.
Loaded on by.
Didn't do that situation. Seems dangerous.
So tired, must meow. Is that how tired you are? Are you EP? Just a bit EP, right, Ian? EP9. Okay, perfect here. I can just focus on hitting these enemies. Oh, you just took a nap a few minutes ago, Henry? By the way, Henry, howdy, howdy. How are you doing today? And this is progression. Look at all those beans. Is there a Snurch in WoW? Yes, there is. Absolutely. Always is. But Gunther, howdy howdy. How are you doing today? How's the Red Sea stream going?
Sorry, I like zoned out on doing the. I got all into doing the trash. Did anyone want the
Don't have a target.
No one wanted the male gloves.
Male gloves. Doing good now. The weather's very nice with the breeze. Oh, nice, excellent. So good weather.
Does anyone want these?
Snurch EP, yeah.
Nobody has wanted even transmog those plate boots. I didn't see a single roll.
At least you can relax and, you know,
So wait, I'm sorry, I had male
enjoy
gloves.
your,
These are plate boots.
your
Does
cat
anyone
vibes.
want these plate boots? Okay, Situation, is that for the male gloves or the plate boots? Are you messing with me here?
I don't have the appearance of the male gloves. If no one takes them, I will take them.
No one has taken them. So I'll trade them to you for transmo.
Yeah, okay, we're good here.
Does anyone want these
Perfect.
plate boots even for transmog?
I'll conjure them for you.
Glass, can you DE these for us, please?
Your cultists are following me? Oh my gosh. Oh, your cultists hate follow me. Nice.
And then I've got a
nice.
trinket.
So your cultist is like cool or something, eh?
You no longer have a job.
Alright, and I got an Auspex roll for Chris. Anyone else want this trinket?
Is he AFK because he got a phone call telling him he's fired?
Oh, now I see some more rolls.
I rolled for him just to keep it moving.
His boss gave me
It should
sass.
have been somebody who gets better rolls.
Alright, it's a Tindril then. Auspex.
Oh, he did get sick? Unlucky. You know, it happens. It's what happens when you eat followers.
Is that an Auspex roll for Mirathir then that you were trying to do, Tindril?
Cannibalism is a bit hard to deal with, but you know, you survived.
You gotta go for glass. You won.
That's okay. He won
H.
on trolling.
Absolutely zero. H. Men. Snake men. Absolutely. Quite snurch indeed.
I'll wait for him to get back.
What would happen if I brought up like snurch stuff in this group? No, I don't know. Nah, we're chilling.
No, I don't think you need to heal.
Probably confusion. Yeah, probably. Peace. Hi guys, hi Wolfie, hi Maddie, how's it going? Yeah, shut up, Ritzy. You shut up and get shouted out, okay? Get wrecked. What was that? It was just me yawning, it's fine. It happens. Thank you, Herxton.
No, they did the clip.
I can't do it.
Clip. Damn it.
I am incapable of shouting out.
Yeah, is that like a Russian?
Who's texting Zero?
Yeah.
Is Cuba basically moaning? I don't know, it's fine. I think I'm fine.
You're intimidating the boss.
I guess.
Well, I mean, Billy's yelling now.
The cutie's back.
Hey, I'm not.
I'm also intimidating the boss.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Do we just want to pull without Mirathir, or could that possibly backfire?
We're about to find out.
Well, then we would only have 2 healers, so then we definitely would need to make heal. Or somebody else wants to heal.
I got it.
The man's gonna heal.
I can heal.
I can heal myself. I can heal myself.
I have Nature's Vigil every 1.5 minutes.
I'm sure Nature's Vigil is what Larry's looking for.
Yeah,
Doing
totally.
pretty good, just got some night raid for tomorrow. Oh, what's happening tomorrow, Maddie?
Well, I have people.
will save us.
Who do you want to heal? You've had 3 volunteers, I think. Or well, I think there's 3 possible
There's only
volunteers.
one legit.
Only one legitimate, yes.
Do you want me to swap
Central
characters?
volunteered.
I mean, if Naya wants to
Oh, was
heal,
it
I'll take
Wolfie who volunteered? Oh, no, Mirathur is here. You wait till you're back, Jeff, and then he was like,
What the hell
"Oh,
is
here."
LTLTL? Bro. Feel the love, the love, the love? Is that what TL is?
It is.
Also, yawning? Nah, it's not
Travel so
moaning.
far to
It's
do
just yawning. It happens. Alright, looks like we're fighting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're useless.
That's right, character. You tell him.
LTLTL. What the hell does that even mean?
Run.
Remove.
Target you.
All the arrows.
Watch your step.
If death is what you seek, I shall grant it.
Phase
Sure
2.
you're on the same side as the bus. Don't be all by your lonesome.
I don't see a bus.
Bus.
Sounds like
Your
the
remains will scatter across the endless dark.
Yep, just kill the air.
AOE incoming.
Shadow. Your remains will scatter across the endless dark.
Run out. AOE incoming.
Shadow.
There we go.
Your remains will scatter across the endless dark.
Phase 3.
Usually it's gonna be your 2 sisters and your sister's fiance. I haven't seen your sister's fiance in a while. Ah, I got you.
Be on the same side. Be close to the wall. Close against the wall. Wrong side there, people.
He spawned right in the middle of the wall. How are you supposed to tell what side he's on?
Come and feast.
See where the rest of the other people are.
Yeah.
our side.
You want to be where the people are.
Like Ariel.
I want to be. Get ready for Ebon Destruction.
Find shelter.
Portals.
Is destruction.
Find shelter.
Come and feast, my pets.
Target you.
Oh my
Perfect. Sorry. He told her her fiance told me to come with him. Okay, gotcha. And Father's Day wasn't the
I
greatest.
will,
I got you. I
start-
got you. It happens.
Mirathur, you had someone roll for you on this trinket, and they won the roll free. For off spec. It was a tendril roll free, as in. Just waiting for loot to come to me. It still hasn't.
That's a hunter sword, right, Chris?
Yeah, it's the hunter sword. I'm trying to remember what hunter it went to in our guild that got everyone upset.
That's strange. It doesn't have agility.
It's even unless the
attack
Darwin gate
power.
ever exists. Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
Except for one.
It's been as a warrior weapon.
How did I die?
Only in survival.
Oh, that makes sense.
Why did I take environment falling damage?
Did you have water walking?
I'm still waiting on some of the rolls.
You're not supposed to belly flop.
Please pass, everybody.
High surface tension.
Yeah.
No, this happened last week. So.
Dan. Dan.
Damn, Zero. Okay, that's you. You're adorable. Yeah, Hellman, you too.
Agreed on the 2-tier pieces.
He's drinking, so.
The stakes remain.
States remain.
Yeah, we'll hydrate in just a second, Hellman.
I'm at the top of the stairs. I'm right next. I can't. Okay, you're clearly drinking. I'm right here.
That's not you.
It is in fact me. You see
Just gotta
how
push
it
up to the
says
boss and then we'll be good.
That's.
Okay, she's not a chicken. She's.
I don't want the part.
Draenei demon or something. I don't know.
He tried to give me his barter bricks instead of the venerated fluid. Alright.
What's your...
Oh my.
Your timelines end here.
Getting the best version of the okay.
Adjucator.
I've had a day.
You have I think you have 2 commands, Ritzy. Is it broken? I mean, you actually have to manually set that one up, and I didn't bother with it, so yeah, that's broken. It really shouldn't matter though. It's a default command, I'm not really gonna bother turning it off.
Like,
alright, let's
I got
hydrate.
something in my eye, so I'm trying to do this one-eyed, which is something amazing.
So around these parts, it's important that you guys stay as happy and healthy as myself, which is why we're gonna hydrate together.
Hunter Mage.
So feel free to join along with me. I got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking. So feel free to come right ahead. Nice.
Does anybody need this tier? I don't
Can
think
you
anyone
get
needed
PBR?
it last
Yeah.
week either, actually.
Vase. Okay, Zero. Okay, Zero.
Alright, I'll go to Killick, Transmog.
There we go.
Which is the item for the socket pieces for the neck?
Well, something setting.
Well, we turn really happy. It's just how it works. Yeah, we're happy, cutie. It happens.
I can make them.
Alright, going once and twice. Soul to Mirror Theater for Transmog. Oops. And the last thing I've got is plate.
You know what that is?
Plate.
Just don't even bother. You're exploring through the commands when there's nothing really to explore.
Anybody else want this for Transmog? Going once. Twice. Do we take random damage? No? Is this a trick question?
Got your outfit picked out.
Is that true,
Recently, every
Lyria?
time you got a
Does
super
lasting
family
damage
outfit
just
you've
give
been
you
wearing, it's
something
the
to do?
same outfit. Are we wearing that? I gotcha. It happens, it happens. You chillin'?
Or Lacey tries to pass it off as that.
Yeah, I guess Ritzy's pretty cute, you know? It happens. Oh my god.
Are we gonna use this opportunity while fighting this boss to...
This evening's gonna be so...
as a group?
Ugh.
We should. Give me 1 second.
I like how Glass immediately said no. Fun fact, my mom is scared of cows. Not bulls. Not bulls. Just regular cows. Yeah.
Cows are evil.
What? Why cows?
Gunther is pretty cute, that is true. That is
He just
extremely
says they're
true.
big.
Okay.
So are cars.
she won't admit that it has no real. It doesn't have a whole lot of basis in logic, but she's very afraid of cows. Like we went to the state fair one year and they have
So
they had a
exhausted.
bunch of milk cows tied up, and they were they were just peacefully standing there, and she was like, "Can we go? Do we have to go through this building?"
Wait, tomorrow you're gonna go do a workout, and after that you're gonna go hop in the shower, get ready for the day tomorrow.
Absolutely
Okay, gotcha.
terrified.
Weird way to put it, but okay.
Range, move up the skull.
I'd understand if it was a bull, but no, just regular cud chewing cows.
I just realized it might be hard to actually practice.
Only half. With Ritzy around, only half. You know, it
It's really
happens.
the only difference between
are
heroic
precious
and normal
and
was
valuable.
that
Thank you
the
so
Thank you so
knockback
much.
Mechanic. That might be a little bit difficult. There is way too many gates. Anyways, everybody's ready. Let's do this.
There's too many
Stack up.
warlocks.
Stack up on skull. Everybody, stack up.
4, 3, 2,
stacked.
1. Bowman coming. AOE
To the
incoming.
left. Move up to the right.
Close enough. Gets on heroic. He knocks back.
Your resistance weakens.
Range get hit by fire.
He does that on normal? I didn't realize he did that on normal.
Yep.
Breath incoming.
Looks how much I pay attention.
It's not as far either.
It's that too. Damn it.
Watch, because range is going to start dropping bombs really close to melee.
Yep. Stack, stack, stack.
Move back toward the ledge if you can, where he starts dropping bombs.
Stack
I
on
don't know if you want
mode.
I don't know if you want to move the boss
Beyond
forward a little bit.
moon.
It's too far away.
No, Vic Command? I don't know what Vic Command would be, but you know.
Breath
Forward.
incoming.
Breath, if you get hit, get hit. How did I not get hit? What?
Like, what is Vic
Failing
Command?
guy. Failing.
You really shouldn't, because there's a lot of commands. Just hang tight on those commands, okay?
AOE incoming.
We're not. Bye.
Will be missed.
But his aim is getting better.
Don't worry. It's a timer. It's not helpful.
Stack high. Stack high. Teleport on you.
Linger in the nothing beyond stars.
Phase 2.
Scale of the universe. You are
Breath incoming. Watch your step.
Gosh, yeah, thank you so much for the bits. What the heck? You don't have to do that around these parts. We're here having a chill time.
Stack
Bless
high.
you.
Bombs.
Oh my
Gonna
gosh.
have to get out.
Need that, yeah. Yes, have a good sleep, alright? Enjoy yourself. Rest well.
Lovely. Yeah.
Phase 3.
Stars fall upon you.
Watch your step.
Your crystal spawn?
Beyond the moon. Yes.
Guess
Perfect.
I'm gonna go again.
You will be cast into the void.
Do not
Try
scoop
not
up.
to get all of them.
Yeah.
One.
Watch your feet.
One is plenty.
That's
Perfect.
all we need.
Burn in the light of a dying star.
Watch your step.
Excellent.
Watch your step.
Group up. Moon, moon, moon. Beyond moon. That's excellent.
Bomb incoming.
Bombs.
May I request that you stop adding commands and things, but it's fine. For a little bit at least. It does slow down the bot a lot. For a lot of the more needed functions, so
Good job.
you know what happens.
Oh, that's cool. No, look, it's Empty Promise again.
What is this foul place? It feels as though it is somewhere.
I'm gonna roll main on that because I kind of need that intelligence extra.
Raw, dark energy.
Can someone please res me? Thank you.
Trying.
Sargeras lost himself to his pursuit of power. Now what will happen to my people?
Don't worry, you're soul stone now. Now if you die, you'll be able to res yourself.
Thank you. Yeah, I died to just a bunch of damage, and I died to like Glittering Surge, I think it was.
Nah, you're good, don't worry.
Seared and Glittering Surge.
You're chilling.
Just stop dying. See?
Yeah, thank you. That's very helpful situation. Alright, let's see here. Let's do the staff. I'll just will myself to stop taking damage. I'm sure the WoW gods will listen to.
If it works in Diablo, it'll work in this game.
Alright, it's going to full pay as the only main spec role. I don't know why it's like, we're removing it from your appearance collection, but I have this exact staff.
Wait, I have the appearance already, but I don't have the staff.
It must just be real glitchy.
One sec, I'm actually gonna look through my inventory just in case. I don't think it's here, but...
Yeah, I'm the opposite when I have it, and it seems to think I don't have Transwell. Like, I literally have it equipped, but it's telling me I don't have the appearance, so... Oh. No, it's this version, it's the normal.
Oh, weird.
Or are there different normal version colorations?
At that point, like, you just have it.
Yeah, I don't know how to explain this. It's Blizzard. I'm not really surprised. I'm disappointed, but
Too. Oh, that's because I already have it. Derp.
all right. Does anyone want this plate chest? Going once to DE. Wait, is our DE is there someone here who can DE or they?
I will take it for Grand Walk.
Take it for this one.
I can DE.
Alright, let's do the other plate thing. Plate risks.
Alright. Perfect. I'm gonna go
Yeah, it
get the
doesn't make
enchant
sense,
stuff.
does it,
But yeah,
Seamaster?
this happens.
No, 'cause this game
hello,
doesn't
sex
make
instructor. Howdy, how are you doing today? Welcome,
It goes to
welcome.
Chris again. I'm waiting for me to open a trade, and then it's like, you don't have inventory space. Okay, and then leather gloves.
Allow me to go grab this enchant.
Who do I, Tendril? And he just told me when I went to trade with Volpe, like, hey, they're gonna lose this appearance. You okay with that?
Are you okay with that?
I don't care. I'm never gonna go away from the staff of the balloon.
Right.
So
Staff team
he did-
devotion.
that was
Yeah, sorry.
okay. It actually goes to Dan. Where
Increase
is Dan?
haste and
He's gone.
speed. Okay,
I'm outside.
Nope, defaults to me. Give it to me.
perfect.
Look,
That's
good.
fair.
Doing good. How about me? I am doing fantastic.
I'm sorry. I was busy texting Jim.
You were busy texting your brother in the raid.
Just like whisper him.
And then we enchant this, and then we can fly somewhere cool.
About the drama.
Nope, that's the wrong one. There we go.
About what drama?
Trauma.
Trauma.
Childhood trauma.
Aspects gray shine down.
Are you texting Jim about how he traumatized you?
No.
Why did you have to think about that? Yeah, who stole Legos from whom?
I'm blaming my mother. Oh, he wants me to go to therapy.
Well, like, just don't go
That
full
should be
Yaz
good
on
there.
us, okay, Dan?
So I can grab
I need a definition.
the socket, I believe is what I want, but
Yaz means, so.
I'll check what worms upgrades me to.
I know full Miru. I don't know full Yaz.
Somehow full
Yeah,
Yaz is
it's-
worse.
Grateful you.
Yeah, he just gets blitzed out, drunk.
And then refuses to leave.
I just know Miru apologized the entire raid. So here I am, apologizing.
I think the worst I've seen it is like, there was like a transmog run
Big
that Mike
intellect
put
boost.
together, and Yaz could not understand directions on anything.
Potentially.
I think that's really, honestly, the worst I've ever heard him.
Yeah, that's a big intellect boost.
Very
I'll go grab
short,
that.
simple sentences could not follow.
Raid? I don't think I've ever raided with him. Yes.
He did.
A while ago.
Yaz on and off.
Maybe also before your time.
And I have
Awesome.
I have not had the conversation with him, but I've kind of passively done what I did to Frostbit Wolf, where he's not invited back. Because I know that multiple people do not want him ever to come back.
Fair.
Alright, so I can buy this here.
Well,
For
Mods
example,
are
if I have to
better.
pick between Mike and Yaz, I'm picking Mike.
are we on heroic now?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
I also think Fowler probably wouldn't accept him back at this point.
I've been on and off, but since Legion, I don't know what he has.
He wasn't here. Like he is like popped in at the beginning of the last few expansions. Seemingly gotten trashed, and then
Yeah, inequalities work the other way, Henry. It happens.
I don't remember him the first year of Shadowlands.
May I serve you again?
He might have been there.
He wasn't there for very long. If he was,
I mean, I always miss point 1, so.
I don't think he raided with us in Shadowlands. I think he raided with us in EFA.
Yeah, I think the last time was that back with Kit Kat when he was like.
It's just my back
agreeing
piece
with
that
us
needs to be
'cause he was
upgraded.
pushing on Kit Kat, and that was
Mistakes
a long
happen,
time
yeah.
ago.
that was like
We just accept them and move on.
handling, maybe.
I really think he was there for like the first 2 or 3 weeks of Nathria, and that was it.
he was, and he was.
Yeah.
He showed up every time, fucking blackout drunk.
I mean, I've been sporadic, so I don't. No, never.
Was Kit Kat the one that cursed a lot?
No.
No, it's me.
There was some druid. I miss her. Bring her back.
That's Jim.
If it was Kit Kat, she is also not welcome back. I will not raid with her again.
There was
she is a toxic person, and I don't need that drama in my life.
One of the best smellies.
Yes, male or
But the
female?
snailets are a bit
Male.
stingy. Luckily, we Niven have a special way of gathering some.
He drunkenly sometimes sends me BattleNet messages, and I'll be like, very AFK, just for him, because I just.
Here we go.
There was a hunter I remember.
Yeah, we're chilling.
to raid with. I can't remember the name though.
Yeah, that might be
All the cute emotes.
No.
Yo, guys, hit me
Is
up
it
with the cutest
Frostable?
emotes you have.
female Rinny.
Rinny, yes.
Rinny wasn't a bad player.
No, not at all. I was thinking somewhere around there. Frostbite Wolf is a hunter, I think, as well. That's why I probably thought of it. That was back when I used to play hunter. So. And then Demon Hunter became a thing.
I mean, I've been
Demon Hunter
playing
became a
since launch Mirrorthere, and I think I've known of everyone in here. I've known Chris the longest, but he hasn't always raided with me because he's a real life friend.
I switched
I've
to
known Mike
Gunbreaker.
probably second longest.
Those are all adorable.
I mean, assuming that you're
Oh yes, true. My
avoiding
husband. I mean, my
your
husband. But besides that, like, I think I raided the longest with Mike Gamblar.
Yeah, that is certainly true.
It is true.
So is that a yes or no?
Played. Refeast.
Oh, do I miss a feast? Oh, do I need to put down a feast?
Well,
Oh, there's a
You do need to put down a feast.
Glass. Can you run your enchant thing on situation?
What does the scouter say?
Nah, he's clear.
Interesting.
I do have
he did say
several
he
bad
got.
boys though.
you don't have to belt though. You don't have to belt enchant.
No, that's
Belt enchant.
There are many people I played with that I miss.
Do not get belt enchant.
The belt enchant does not count.
It
Oh, I
actually
can.
go up.
Unless someone can make it, then I'll pay for it.
I can put the speed belt on.
Wait, there's a belt enchant? What?
Yeah. I only want stamina. Shadow Clasp.
I'm not even gonna ask.
I just want to pay 15k. I'll give you 5.
Okay, everybody's ready.
Oh, it's 621? It's 821. Pretty gay if you ask me. True.
Can't mean.
A little gay.
Too bad.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your entrails are silent.
Target you.
Rifts. Push down in strategic places.
Watch your step.
Lasers coming soon.
Anguish and sorrow.
Oh, bye.
Watch your step.
Bye.
There was no helping you there.
Times I have DPS this boss. 0.
Watch your step.
Now Arn communicates through emoticons like you? Yes, absolutely.
Funny.
Bonai.
that's forever.
You didn't type that? When?
You're supposed
You
to
didn't
run
type
it
that?
into one of the circles on the ground. You
No,
might
I
want to
wouldn't
do
run
it yourself. Alright. See you tomorrow.
Oh my
Laser on
god.
you. Run.
No, keep it alive, Mort.
Watch
You're
your
on a
step.
good streak now.
You've got this.
I've never had the laser beam bomb during this fight.
It's an achievement. You got it.
Oh Jesus. Oh Lord.
Target you.
You want someone
Watch
up?
your step.
Yes,
Morta.
just somebody. Just somebody. Yes.
Not more. What the fuck happened?
I don't know.
Push back.
I think everybody's drunk.
Oh, cool.
That's the only explanation.
I can't shoot straight unless I've had a pint.
They always like to use stickers on emotes, but you just don't have many here as you do on Telegram. True. That's very similar for me when I'm like am using
Watch your
Please no.
step.
Discord.
I choose you, Billy.
Oh, is Billy dead? Yeah, get Billy up.
Push back.
You're safe.
It's on cooldown.
Billy.
Someone said when. I will cheer for you guys. Woo!
This might actually be a
Laser
way.
on you. Run.
No.
No. Refuse to make this a life.
Got this. I died.
Watch your step. Target you. Push back.
Did Mort's thing?
Yeah, if there's still a beam up when the next set comes out.
Okay. That makes a lot more sense.
Laser on you. Run.
Alright, so yeah, Morty.
We're wiping. I literally got laser
Watch
for
your
me
step.
because we have so many DPS dead. I get it. Move the laser into a glowing swirly. I know that now. But before, I've never gotten
Target
laser
you.
on me during.
Push back in.
It's only been a month.
Watch your feet. Watch your
It
feet.
has nothing to do with, just jump in the damn lava.
Oh.
Out of
I
curiosity, how
didn't
much damage
realize
does
everyone died.
it do if someone doesn't drag it into a rift? Did anyone see how much it was?
I got hit for 103k and then 120k. Just something called Endless Torment.
It's enough
So-
to make Jim sassy.
So roughly 200k.
Right, well.
Oh, no, it keeps ramping up. It starts off small and then just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Oh, so it's
So it must have gone until Mort died or until he knocked it off, I guess. So yeah, that was just a lot of damage.
does it continue indefinitely or until it goes into the?
It sounded like indefinitely.
Okay.
Wait, so what happened?
So Morty
fucked
didn't
up.
know to drag the thing into the rift, the thing that chases you around into the rift.
What did that do?
So I was trying to figure out if it just creates like a stacking debuff that lasts indefinitely, or if it just lasts as long as it takes someone dragging. It sounds like it might be the.
Gotcha, but that was
So we
irrelevant
were-
to like why we wiped.
Yeah, because I mean, we were all taking continuous damage from that.
Oh, okay, got it.
So I mean, it was just a ton of damage continuously going out to the raid. There's only so much the healers can, you know.
Like, man, everyone's HP is dropping off on the defense for myself.
I honestly didn't know it did that.
I didn't either. Or you know?
Alright. Everyone's ready, let's do this. Let's not fail.
You've been chilling on Telegram.
this time,
Yeah,
okay?
same.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your entrails will shine.
You would choose it.
Rifts and then push back.
Push back in. Watch your step.
Lasers are coming soon.
Anguish and sorrow.
Lasers.
Watch your step.
And breath.
Watch your step. Target you. Push back in. Watch your feet.
Anguish and sorrow.
More lasers.
Watch your step.
And the breath. Coming straight towards the door.
Watch your step.
Really?
Push back in.
Anguish and sorrow.
Watch your step.
Breath.
Target you.
Rifts.
Push back in. Watch your feet.
Anguish and sorrow.
Laser on you. Run.
Lasers.
Watch your step.
Breath.
Gonna have for a bit, be right back later? Yeah, absolutely. See you later, Rixie. Thank you so much for popping by. It's awesome having you here. Always.
It would be helpful if the rifts would be on one side
Its grip weakens.
and progressively move to the other side,
Power that can
instead of just being everywhere.
The betrayer holds no such power, my son. Sinister forces
Damn it,
are
Dan.
waiting.
Only one thing.
They sense your presence.
Little Dragon, remember the first time you got on the back of Deathwing is breathtaking from the epic? Oh, nice! Yeah, no, it's poppin'. Good experience.
They're play food, so you can't even.
I'll give them to her.
I assume you have heard many stories of this place and the role it played in
My boom chicken. Here, I'm in castle.
You're the only
the
boom chicken for me.
outsiders must not be allowed to take them from you.
I've been told by Chris, at least, when he's out and he sees a boomkin, he just automatically assumes it's me.
I do the same thing.
A wise plan.
If I see a bear, it's Jim. If I see a boom chicken, it's Jim.
Aid I can.
This is sweet and everything else.
Alright, because that's come to my attention, I have absolutely terrible bracers. Even though these are kind of sucky. Yeah. Alright. Tendril, have you already run away, Tendril? Where are you?
Is Volpe talking? No, not at all.
If you can run back to Neltharion, oh, there you are.
Just kind of vibing with the music, you know, for a second.
Make sure that the right ones.
It takes its time, you know.
Alright. So both myself and Tendril. Okay. Cloth belt. I almost spelled that the British way with an E. More leech. Yep. It does have leech. Okay, so that's gonna go to Morty. Catch up with you guys in a second.
Hello, Gunther, yes. Feeling the vibes, feeling the dance, you know?
And then
Gunther cute voice real?
and I've got some plate.
Yeah, there you go.
No one wants these place boots. They're gonna go to glass for D.
Clearly, I wanted them. I agreed to them.
That's
Where
all
is-
the loot, right, Sid?
Yeah.
Alright, everything's up to date on the list. I'll be right back.
Always in talk, he just looks at us in a cute, sexy way. Hey, it happens, it happens. I'm looking right at you.
I mean, Glasses volunteered before to do it. I just can't. Hard time locating people in this big group in this shitty lighting. Alright.
I can do it. Is the rule that we put it in the guild bank after, or what's the deal?
Yeah, or you can use it to make an enchant and then put the enchant in the guild bank. I'm not I mean, I don't know if that would be better. I don't know if there's super valuable about this. Where is Morty?
I can be, that's all.
Uh-oh.
I don't know how DE works with this new professions nonsense. If you guys want to duke it out and someone's got a better DE specialization, assuming that's a thing, then just let me know.
It is a thing.
Yeah, it is a thing.
It's just 50 points.
Yeah. I don't think it matters.
In these halls, I forged wonders
And I
that
also don't
shaped
care.
the world. After millennia unattended, they have become unlimited.
Wish there's a tail with cord. I don't know if I can even do that.
The one for the enchanted crest is like 4,000.
Product of experimentation.
If I could, I'd probably try for it.
Attempted to destroy.
You are of my blood. The fact you had the strength.
I thought that
to
was the.
survive.
No, that's the.
The Draconid.
Yeah, that's not. That's. I don't think that's what he's asking.
Oh, the rest is like.
Who makes the weapon enchant so god awful expensive?
Enchanters.
Yeah.
Materials are
Enchanters,
not
yeah.
expensive.
All demand.
I thought I heard a sassy last response in there too, but I missed it.
I said because the materials are also god awful expensive.
Are they?
Well, and it's also not like
Gunther
100%
has
guaranteed.
a lot.
Tier 3,
Damn.
So
Correct.
Wait, so Gunther's like Elon Musk now?
to prop the tier 3. That's why.
So you need Titan Orbs?
Sophic Devotion right now, based on my lost auction out scan, cost me.
I mean, Gunther's here a lot, so it makes sense.
I have a few of those in the bank. I can just give them to an enchanter.
Here, you know what? We're gonna try something out of here.
Correct.
I don't know how many I have.
Play the game and I walk away.
I just like seeing.
And then do
And then
try
I
to
make-
beam.
And then make Nyan make me stuff. And then he does it, and it's great.
Alright. There we go.
Try to meme, but clearly I fail.
We have a prediction in the works. Feel free to join in this prediction to spend some tails and maybe receive some in return. If you're confident, put some more in. If you're feeling less confident, hey, it happens.
Thank you, Bailey.
Thanks, Dan.
You got it. And I guess more Ethan.
Easy Gunther to fleet.
I really thought you were summoning more, so I was...
Wait, why?
No, no, it was not.
Don't trust me right now.
There is no one in this raid that can be trusted not to.
Alrighty.
If anything,
There's a
now's the time to
fat
trust you the most.
40 points up for grabs here. You're still tanking could rig this game, Sag? Nah. If you rigged it, then, you know, this wouldn't be a fair game.
Groups 1 to 3, Shadow, 2 and 4, Fire.
My God. Fire, let's go.
Oh, Wind Fury, let's go. Why is set in the Wind Fury group?
Because that is all.
She doesn't melee.
What do I
Well,
do
who
on the
does
Shadows side?
besides the two of you?
Me?
I have no idea.
I mean, Jim.
Are you trying to kick me out of my husband's group? Is that what's happening here?
We have an Invoker in here. We have a Boomkin in here.
Okay,
We have a feral cat.
I don't care. I'm here. We're good.
What do I do on the Shadow side?
DTPS.
Dodge. You're gonna
Dodge
there's-
the balls.
At the same time, there's like a stack mechanic on the fire. There's a runaway mechanic on the shadow.
Resist the urge.
Okay.
Dodge the balls.
And we have to swap. If you want, I can search you out with the Wind Fury on the other side. Actually, I'm gonna do that. I'm switching you with.
Right.
Touch
We don't know the result yet. We'll have to figure it out.
Victory.
I got kicked out of my husband's group. Ouch. Ouch.
Well, you made a good point.
I miss
Damn
you, Feldrick.
Right. I make good points. That's why I'm here.
I'll just third wheel on Illyrian Glass. It's fine. I know.
Just remember with all this fucking min-maxing that we need to keep the damage equal on these fucking bosses.
A bunch of people just lost their class.
Fuck that.
Number, go big number. Pump. Pump damage.
My internet connection seems to be coming unstable.
Okay, let's go.
Lies. Laser beam go burr.
Wizard go. Burr.
7, 6, 5.
You go burr, I go rar. No, you go rar, I go burr.
Damn.
Which way?
He's a dragon. He has to go roar.
So what is your drink of poison this evening?
Help so. Target you. Watch all.
Drink of poison every night.
Watch way.
Oh. Should probably do that in moderation.
I don't know what that means.
He's protecting.
Help so.
I'm from New York, damn it.
Hey, switch sides, right? You guys already soaked.
Oh, the boss is
No,
coming
but
away.
not
Which way?
not you. Stay there, Jim. No.
Help so.
So those
Don't know what's going on. We have a
Watch all.
fun mechanics going on.
Way. Help so. Incoming.
Think so. Switch sides.
No, we're transitioning because we're 10% damage different when both adds.
YOLO.
Shadow and flame awaken. Withering shade. Blistering twilight.
Help so.
Shadows erupt.
Soak those.
Withering shade.
Ready for me to year soon.
Help so.
Darkness consumes all.
Don't run away.
Withering shade.
We actually got what was it? 4 people. Or sorry, 3 people who did it.
Bombs.
Help so.
Soak.
Withering shade.
Help so.
Big soak.
Consumes all. We are unstoppable. Withering shade. Blistering twilight.
Bombs.
Help so.
Shadows
The secrets that
Alright, Dan, don't greet it.
There's no denying its strength, but it seems too dangerous to truly control.
Okay.
you possess the will to master it.
No one else has done it.
Just
There we go.
imagine
Nice.
what
Let's go.
it would accomplish.
Say it every time.
Pop
now.
off.
I was thinking this just an hour ago. I was too busy standing in front of fans.
Oh man, 3
Wait,
out
they
of
don't
4
run
goes
until we
to
enter
me.
the room.
I didn't do it.
Okay. Proud of you.
Look at that.
So proud.
Oh,
Growing up so fast, Dan.
can you call my mom and tell her? I need this.
I'll delegate it to Jim.
He'll never call her.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Pops, where are they going?
I won't call her, so he.
They just run away. Glass just tries to make it his personal mission to kill them.
Yeah, that's not cool. Anything that matters.
So Echo Soliri for transmog.
Wait.
There we go. Our second. Well, looks like the prediction is complete.
Damn it.
Let's choose the outcome. We did it first try.
What?
Wait, what?
Search Enjoyers will
What's
win.
going on?
There we go. She still won. It's fine.
I don't know.
What?
I haven't seen the results.
Okay, I'm gonna tank.
But let's see here. 40 points go to Arctic. Congratulations, Arctic, on your 40 points.
No. Did we lose Amplar?
Yes.
Okay, I'll tank. I got this.
No, you're not.
Oh no.
No.
You put literally all of your points into it? Damn. Zero, I'm sorry, it happens. You could have like lost all your points though. That would have been pretty funny.
Okay, he's leaving for work, guys.
Oh. Got 1 million health. Let's go.
But with all seriousness, let's pull together and stop doing nonsense odd bosses. I know nonsense is our specialty, but all right. No one needs this mail bolt belt. It's gonna go to class.
Very funny. Would have, yeah, absolutely.
One-handed mace. Anyone need this one-handed mace?
Hunter weapon.
That one's questionable.
I'm surprised they didn't let survival hunters do two one-handers.
I think this is gonna go to Tindril. I really like the name Tindril. I like it better than Azin. I know that doesn't motivate your decisions, but I liked the name. Alright.
I don't like your name. I like your other name.
When Nicole was legally changing her name to Nicole, she's like, what do you think of the name Nicole? I was like, it sucks, but you know, if you like it. I was such a supportive friend.
Very supportive.
And then her middle name's Michelle, and I was like, Michelle is one of my least favorite female names ever. So I was like, I hate both of them, but, you know. Yeah.
What's a good name then?
We wanted to name
Daniel.
Before we found out, I've grown to like my name, but that's not my full name. I like my full name better.
That trash, but okay.
If we were, you know, before we found out Adam was a boy, we're gonna name our daughter possibly Kara, K-A-R-A. I like that name.
Oh, my dog.
It's your dog's name, Kara?
Yes, it is.
We have a cat named Emma, and that's Mike's wife's name. It's like, wait, your cat's got the same name as my wife.
You missed the poll too? Yeah,
So
it happens.
this
It
is gonna go to
happens.
Morty. Where's Morty?
K-A-R-A.
No touchy.
I do predictions, so 0 for all the poison, yeah.
Or is it?
I'll give it to you in a second, Glass. Give me one.
Is it?
So that's Irish, isn't it, Kara?
That's. I was about to ask, Kara or Kara? It's just
Kara.
spelling.
Kara. I think it's Irish.
I mean, the thing is like, I do a lot of role playing, and so the names that I couldn't pick for our kids, or
Zero, what?
we couldn't use for our kids, I just use them in my role playing games. So.
Zero, I'm confused. You're confusing me, Zero.
Who won gear so far off the last boss?
Morty won main spec, yeah. I think he's the only one that won main spec. I think the rest went to transmog. Let me roll up.
My chat's zooming with the things being called out on VVM.
Yeah, the only main spec is
okay.
There we go. Stop being confused, but I can't. It's impossible.
So much. I don't know if I can trust this gateway. Oh, it's Morty's. I can trust it. If it was Billy's, I was not gonna take it for real.
What if it was mine?
I don't know. But Morty is the most trustworthy.
My gate takes you to a timeshare meeting.
Good.
Oh god.
Where they
My
promise
gosh,
you free lunch
Zero,
and
what are you
fucking
doing?
Kraft mac and cheese from the microwave.
It was my honor to evaluate the development of Neltharion strength here. Unfortunately,
Alright, Jim, what am I doing?
You're not doing anything. You're not tanking.
No.
Go back to DPS, please.
I'm too confused, bro. Bro.
Yet, there is value in documenting the carnage it generates.
Look at Mertzy's the voice actor. Look at them. So for this one, we're all gonna group up on the main boss and then move to the right to bring the bleeds out.
That's the idea. No one's ever done it.
No, it's happened a couple of times, but
Gonna happen this time.
let's try to make sure that
K0.
we're pulling out the
happy.
Yes, let's make Jeff
So
happy.
what are
That
you
is an
doing?
excellent goal for us.
All right, 1 second. 1 second. Let me just quickly mark these as complete.
We probably should feast.
Oh, they were doubting me.
Where you go, Zero?
Sorry.
Rewards queue is cleared. How do you feel?
I miss Kalino and his 600 feast, but I've got a few. So
Well, every time I put down a feast, somebody else puts what feast. Like,
All right, there's a feast. It's okay.
Can we get another feast? This one's stinky.
Oh damn.
Truth.
Yeah.
that's fair. Kalino just removes the question from that because he's got like 600.
More like 6 million.
I have a bunch too. I just every time it goes to waste. Cause
All right, you can have the next feast, Illyria. How's that?
okay.
Step 0, what are you doing? What did I do? Say goodbye to those 300 points forever. They're gone.
Everybody's feasted.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I will beat you into pulp.
Knocking back. Target you.
Look at
Shockwave.
Be in front.
Shockwave.
Obviously, our first prototype lacked the
You
desired.
succeed on half of them at least.
The next iteration was imbued with excessive barcode power.
Watch your step.
Put your feet.
Target you.
Everybody has a debuff.
Watch your step.
I'll move in at the end of it. Or I'm sacked with the boss.
AOE incoming.
Spelling.
Watch your step.
Sadly, a creature with unstable
Dispelling.
circuits was
Don't bring me
useless,
up,
so we refined the infusion process.
Get these orbs down.
Range 5.
You also don't have a mass dispeller, so get stacked for dispel.
Breath incoming.
Say goodbye.
Middle.
Far here. Back up for dispel.
Target you.
Lost it to nothing. Witness my strength.
Breath incoming.
Incinerate from above.
Here.
Get these orbs down.
Range 5.
There we go. Alright, that's that fight done. Let us continue.
I must get closer.
Your
I am out of range.
performance is beyond my expectations.
Too far away.
You knew these creatures were waiting to be unleashed.
Of course, you rose to the challenge, as I knew you would.
This all seems questionable.
Alright, let's see.
Of yours.
I was afraid of this. The process used to create
Back to shower? Well, welcome back. Howdy, howdy.
an issue I doubt I'll have
Alright.
with my trueborn heir.
Alright. After Glass is done making his crest, does anyone want this Paladin Priest Shaman Glove tier? Does a Paladin Priest or Shaman want this tier? Okay. Don't need it. Mirathir, do you need it? I know Faldrick does not. He said so before he took Adam to bed.
Why is there only like 3 people fighting this?
Alright, 2 of you just roll for whoever gets to convert it to vendor. You can't be bothered to even vendor it. Alright, Chris cannot be bothered to vendor it, so therefore is going to go to Mirathir to vendor.
It's the thing we got Nyan taking care of us.
Here.
I'm just gonna go one-handed with this, cause like,
Hey, you got leech.
I'm tired. Everyone fucking break tonight. Just stayed in bed. True. Base.
Of course, these are
You should have gotten some more rest. You're pretty EP. I'm EP. I don't even know what's going on now. These days.
Holy cow.
Seriously, why is everybody just... Are we taking a break right now?
I'm trying to heal.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about 60% of the raid not being here.
Three of us got one shot.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, look at Billy laying down on the job right now.
Surprise.
Floor feels kind of warm instead of cold.
Nine's confused, yeah.
Cheater doesn't want to play.
Nine, it looks like I died. I'm sorry.
You can't meme.
Oh my gosh. Yeti, why?
No, don't leave.
Thank you, Ilaria.
Thank you. Also blame Jim. He's Bear Tank.
Okay, let's check in on my builds. Because I think I need to grab one for like AoE.
Oh, I think I just got it back.
Yeah. We can hear you.
And I had to like crawl under my desk and unplug it and then plug it back in. Because I couldn't hear Discord, I couldn't hear the game, I couldn't hear anything, so it's not good. I probably should
I'd like to delete.
This is not the first time that one has failed me, that particular...
There we go. First entropy.
Did her sound just die on us?
Yeah.
It
she sounded like a robot, and then.
Gives havoc, gain 2% increased damage. Okay, got it. So I just need to make more havoc.
So these might still be the headset that she has like duct taped together, so that might be the problem.
That's on her. She needs to get upgrade to foul level. That noise cancellation.
I think she chooses to listen to her kids while he chooses not to.
Violence, I know. Absolute violence. People are tossing everything at me and it's so annoying. Damn, I'm so...
Like, I don't like...
I'm so godden. I'm so EP.
Neither do I. I have
but
open
you
back into...
You don't have kids, though.
It's also true.
They're godsend when you're flying.
Is needed. I ignore my child all the time.
sense sarcasm.
Nope, I ignore my child all the time.
It immediately worked as soon as I changed the USB port. Better? I sound better?
You do not
Yeah.
sound like a robot, so yeah.
It's just that...
You did not. You basically sounded like a robot that then trailed off into nothing.
What's that? Do you want a list of my
What?
sound system?
Corsair, Razer.
No. Open back.
Give me those shoulders.
Reset.
Open back headset or headphones with a Rode microphone.
Too fancy.
Not fancy enough.
Fancy.
It's not fancy. If one component on that headset dies, you need to buy a new everything.
That sounds fancy.
Yeah, but
I must get closer.
longevity is the key.
Corsair works
I think
fine.
that's all good there.
Not in rocket ship anymore.
In the Steel series.
My HyperX has been working just fine for the last 6 years.
I don't know.
Completely wireless, and I enjoy it.
With Razor, I was apparently rocket ship.
You playing this without a neckbeard, filthy casual? Yeah, it happens.
He was upset when I moved on.
I'm quite the casual dopes.
No. My wife bought me better stuff. Won't play Warcraft with me, but she'll buy me better stuff.
Okay, so what does this do? Use it in haste, and yes, bolt consumes up to 5 seconds of aim weight damage for time.
Arctis Novas.
Instantly dealing that much damage. Okay, cool.
Oh, they're like Arctis, whatever, 3 or something or other.
That's good for like AoE. Makes sense. So that's what causes it. Okay, I've been very confused for a while on certain things in my build.
What Steel Series? What the
Arctis 9, that's what we have.
Arctis 9?
I think they've moved on from like calling them that. They call them the Novas now.
Wait, Chris, what are you talking about?
My mouse. I have a Steel Series mouse.
I too also have a Steel Series mouse.
Steel Series. Okay.
Yeah.
What's so special about that?
It has like 4 or 5 extra buttons on my thumb.
Yeah, I have.
Plus the 12 buttons, or
I have 7 buttons at my thumb. Yeah, on my mouse.
oh, I have 12.
I want to say
No, Corsair.
4 at my pointer and 2 at my middle finger.
I have 12 Corsair, and then 5 on the top.
Yeah, I think I have the Rival. Another Rival 500.
We're talking about peripherals, riveting. I know. Here we go. Got it. I feel that it's comfortable, I think. Probably.
We want to move Jim to group 1 or something?
You don't want to be with me anymore?
I mean, I'd love to, but
I don't.
Groups 1 and 3 might have an issue with it.
Go. Shoot. Go. Far.
So is it group 1 and 3 close or far?
No, far.
1 and 3 is far. 2 and 4 are near.
Yes, let's go. All powerful.
Opposites attract and we're too much similar.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Why are you talking to me?
Go
I'm
away.
not having a conversation with you.
Shoo.
What the hell?
I'm having a day. Go away.
You mean
Can you do it quietly? Shit.
No.
Good gravy.
As far away as I can. Happy Pride Month, by the way.
You've said that already. Thank you.
Yeah, but not verbally.
Right.
Which one? Who am I giving the Zenith mixing fluid to? The tier for Evoker, Rogue, Warrior.
Act like you don't know this.
I don't know how old my headset is, and it's kind of falling apart, so it's more than time.
So too old.
None of us are old for it.
It's at least might be. Yeah, I might be older than Adam.
terrible. Isn't he like 12?
No, that's our 8-year-old.
Still.
That's not helping your case.
That's not great.
Oh, we're doing loot.
Rainbow's cool, yeah. We can blame Nyan for the cool rainbow. Happy Pride Month. These are reading the manufacturer's spec sheet on their peripherals. Hey, yo, true. True, they better do that. That'd be pretty funny.
Macro is interesting.
Yeah, Nyan, despite us, having people who were AFK for a while, we still didn't manage to get a gear rolled, unfortunately. It happens. You love men? Nice, Zero. Congratulations. Excellent. Men kinda cute. Absolutely.
Okay, everybody's ready. Let's do this.
Hey, Jim. What?
5,
Proud of
4,
you.
3.
The peaches and the boys.
I can fear the defeat.
Enough.
Boy.
I hate you so much.
Never drink again, please.
No.
You in a sad drunk phase now.
It's genetic. It's not my fault. Don't shame me.
Too late.
Don't need any help from anyone.
Sounds like he needs a hug from him.
Look at you.
I don't treat adults.
Blame our mother. Can't blame our father. Do you need like a psychotherapy session right now? Yes.
Please stop.
Well, guys, you like them too? That's not really a question. Do you like guys as well?
Big Ad. Watch your step.
Coming to you.
Big Ad. Big Ad.
Get that dude. That bad dude.
Big Ad. Watch your step.
Boss coming.
You guys on your way.
On your left.
Big Ad.
Get to the metal. Yeah.
Should be coming with us.
Not doing its shield thing, so should be good.
1 and 3 will go first. Not overlap.
Spread.
Thingamabob.
Help surge.
Alright, get in. 1 and 3. Alright. Alright, 2 and 4 will go next.
Dudes are stinky. True, Michelle. But stinky dude's kind of cute though.
Help soak.
2 and 4. Get in, soak, 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 soak.
Spread.
Perfect.
I don't think we have a blacksmith in the raid. So you guys can just greet that to sell it.
Shit. Ayo.
No, buys one picked up. You can greet it to vendor it.
No, you can. The item does. We can greet it.
Nothing less.
Yeah, just you can greet the plan.
Yet secure. There is one last obstacle that stands in your path.
Maybe the plan should go to Ulu.
What'd I do?
But yo, Michelle, we got a problem here. We actually have to do this because it's important. Sorry about that. You know.
Okay, if Dan gets really out of control, his wife is still on Discord, and we could just send her a bunch of messages like, "What's going on?"
He's not home. Okay.
Such an adorable voice. Oh my god.
She doesn't have Discord on her phone.
She does.
She plays Final Fantasy, doesn't she?
No, yes.
Yeah. Of course, she's
tag her a bunch.
Not here, so.
Yeah, get wrecked, okay?
I bet she has ways of getting in contact with you. Why are those weirdos on the internet harassing me? Does anyone want these plate legs for even transmog? If not, I'm gonna trade them to glass for DE.
Yes, I do. Sorry.
You do. Okay.
You're gonna miss me next week.
Yo, right. Howdy.
Where are you going next week?
Illyria just where will you be going?
Where will you be
Good day.
going?
I'm
Good day to you.
helping my friend from Tennessee.
Well, you're making me tired now. It's
Yeah.
only 7.
Yep.
It happens, it happens.
That's
Howdy, Volby.
Yeah.
I said to meet you, EP. No, I've been EP for a while. I can't speak right now. We're just like
State that is not yours.
going.
To another state that is not yours.
Oh dear, yeah, it's a deer. Cool deer, good deer.
Like, damn.
Eepiness, yeah.
Hey Dan,
Will
I might need to ride to the airport. Can you come get
I think
me?
after raid tonight, I'm gonna go like fall asleep immediately.
All
Cause I
right.
got a
Who wants these
midterm
cross
assignment and
shoulders?
quiz
Anybody?
tomorrow.
Or is it going to DE? Going once. Okay. He heard a voice. I didn't recognize
Yeah,
the voice.
thank you, Greg, for putting us to sleep. I appreciate it.
Alright, there you are.
Can I get buffs, please?
Well, actually, I've got to try and go faster.
Shut up, Zero. Okay, I'm good. We're good. We're fine. Thank you. So
Yes, sir. Anyone need these male bracers?
we could do that yourself. Yeah, that'd be funny. Imagine you just like went to sleep. That'd be kind of crazy, wouldn't it?
Let's see. It's going to go
Zero.
to
That'd be crazy.
Seamaster. Okay, I've got one more thing. The plate, belt, Mirathir, Chris. Either of you want that for transmog? I guess it could be me. No.
Not a tale the Jedi would tell you. Darth the deer could make
Is that
everyone
also
sleepy,
no for you, Chris?
but not himself.
That is a no for me.
Oh my god.
Alright. Where's glass? I got used to you being in all gold, I thought it was, and
Oh, you back?
I don't recognize you because you're not all in
Oh,
gold.
we recorded a few lines.
No
Couldn't be too long.
class.
Yeah, no worries. Good luck, alright, Merkson. Enjoy.
Keeps changing his
Ciao, ciao.
clothes. I don't like it.
But yeah, just gonna repeat an absence channel. Yeah, I've got a midterm on Thursday that starts at 6:30, so I'm not gonna be here.
That is unacceptable.
Sorry about that. Education be like.
Exactly.
No, right? So unfortunate.
Okay, everybody's ready. Let's go.
Oh. That's...
Did you just override my pull timer?
Here we go.
I didn't even know you could do that.
Remember, do not overlap these, or I will be mad.
Help soak.
Soak, big soak.
Oh, Billy, I've got the wrong talent. You overlap. Try again.
Small soaks are coming soon.
Yeah.
I will kick you if you overlap them.
Help soak.
And she can do it literally. She doesn't even need to kick you out of the raid.
They're not.
Well, that's not what I meant, but sure, okay.
Kick him in the shins.
Target you.
I missed that I will kick people from the raid if you overlap this. Big soak. We're about in.
Help soak.
Get on in.
The volcano Hondas.
Next lead coming.
Midterms, it's not early in the morning. True. At least.
Shockwave.
Alright, group up. Get deaded. Like Dan.
Yeah, don't like me.
Drink water. The suggestion. Too late.
Lamb. Do not overlap.
Yeah, run at 7:30 p.m. I had a final exam start at 9 p.m. last year and end at 12:30 a.m.
Go that way.
Watch your feet.
The volcano Hondas.
Small soaks.
Help soak.
The volcano Hondas.
School's just weird. Behind me, yeah, it happens.
Fire flames all.
Big soaks. Get in.
The volcano Hondas.
Let's leave.
You guys can do that. There's gotta be some limiter policy. I mean,
I didn't overlap it.
there should be, but you know,
Shockwave.
We're heading that direction.
they just
Be nervous.
they just too funny.
Don't worry. I'm not drinking right now.
Yeah, fix that.
Not this. Not this.
You're okay.
Well done. The conduit will remain dormant.
Don't read, Dan.
I agreed to everything.
Perhaps there are fresh Jarden outside that you can harvest.
You expect me to...
I expected more of you, Sibelian.
Do you feel like that? Yeah, absolutely.
Perhaps Arathian will have the resolve. The crucible awaits.
Alright.
Like, hell week for entry is about up already. Exams and midterms late are quite a stretch, yeah. Absolutely.
What? What's your favorite thing about me?
Oh, no.
What is happening?
That's a trick question.
Oh, no.
Come on.
It's okay to not answer, Jim.
I'm your favorite brother. You know?
He's your only brother, isn't he?
Nope.
Oh, I didn't know you had another brother. You seriously have another brother?
Yep. And it's not my brother.
I love just how willing you are to share information with me.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay, it's the tier is gonna go to Nyan.
Yo, congratulations,
Nyan. You
Good job.
can find me when you're ready.
That's fine.
I don't feel like it's a good idea to go tank.
No, he has no AoE thing. It's fine.
As long as I'm the favorite.
Is it Jim? Is your other brother just like insufferable or something?
See? Younger brother's the best.
I only have one brother, so he's easily my favorite sibling. I think you guys would be a bit much for him.
I'm the favorite. Let's just point that out now.
Yep. I think everyone knows. Don't
Fantastic.
worry.
Okay. I want no question.
Alright, Marathir, it's gonna go to you. No one else wants it.
Anyone need a reset or no?
I just want no doubt.
I think Jim has been through this before.
Who reset him?
Go reset on glass.
Go.
Does anyone want these cloth boots? Melodrana wants it for transmog.
Time to analyze your threshold for pain.
Doesn't work when multiple people go with me.
Okay,
I'm a deer, says Fullen.
Don't know who that is.
Clearly they're a deer.
You need new quotes. From me, specifically.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
He is the favorite brother.
Let's go.
This is a monkey's paw thing. You better be careful.
Just record on your stream and fix it later.
Remove the.
That sounds like the quote.
You know,
Science is the best English class.
Whoa.
All right.
Capabilities. This was the only.
Did you just reset him again?
Nursing
I was
is a
finding more
crutch.
time to do loot.
I'm all done with loot. I mean, I appreciate it, but we're good.
We do need an additional tank.
Oh, I'm not.
Oh no.
You had to say.
For that.
God.
And just run over the bombs.
down. We also have more situation -x quotes now.
I don't
There's nothing out.
No, they're not situation -x. The whole quote was to put the dash in it, 'cause that was the original. Never mind.
Nice.
Real question, Dan. Do you actually feel confident you can do this?
I can do it. My problem is my defensives are all target based. I don't know
You
how
put
much
your-
damage the bombs do.
You can put your defenses on him, and the bombs will still negate.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, because I played Demon Hunter, you just put the firebrands on them, and then you run over the
Hold on.
bombs.
Oh my gosh, Broken Soul 1. Thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy.
We
I'm
can try
Volpe.
once and
We're here
if
having a
Dan
chill
dies a
time
horrible
tonight
death,
and
we
staying
can
wholesome
see if
with an
Chris
ass
can
for
survive
risk.
That's the only.
You so
problem
much for
with
popping by. How are you doing
it's all
today?
target-based. So,
Just yeah, just put your firebrands before you run and grab the bombs.
Okay. Sounds good.
Stacks.
Target based?
Yeah, almost
you-
everything. Almost everything.
Really?
Yeah. Trust.
Can
Brother.
you see the screen?
Trust.
Yeah, I can't put my
My
thumb up,
brother,
but
trust me.
just know my thumb's trying to go up,
I
okay?
have- You trust me, bro.
No zero smack, and you're doing well? Nice. Glad you're doing swell.
The silence. Silence hurts.
Yeah, yeah.
Real Fred
Yeah, you'll be
Rickle
fine if you just put firebrands on.
Rickle Waksha.
Once you call her, let everyone talk to her.
Oh, gross.
So real,
Just
so
increase
real.
your talents to mine. Yeah, you'll
No. Alright, I will take bombs. Good luck, everybody. This will go swell.
I have full confidence in you.
Oh,
I have no confidence in you.
Naya, please. I need you.
Time to
We're doing hero.
analyze your threshold for pain.
At the
So
beginning.
impatient.
He wants it now. Okay?
I want to know. Yes.
Right? Meow.
Resilience to extreme temperatures.
So I'm never gonna taunt. Got it.
Correct.
Watch your step.
To new hazards.
Range 5.
Traps. We can now dispel people. Which is nice. Bombs! Bombs away.
Knocking back.
Get him, Tank.
Extreme temperatures.
Watch your step.
Get him.
New hazards.
I got
You
him.
did.
Range 5.
Your assistance is required.
Good job.
Hedge. Front tire, bonk your head, and jobs still having boring. Oh my god.
Golems and the heads. Head.
Knocking back.
Your resilience to extreme temperatures.
Watch your step.
Adapt to new hazards.
Careful of traps. Bombs.
Range 5.
One more right in front of us.
Watch your step. Knocking back.
Your resilience to extreme temperatures. Master, grant me strength. Another failed.
Fun fact, you always get hurt every day, non-intentionally, it just happens randomly. I see.
Watch your step.
Hey, that's part of work, isn't it?
And golems.
Watch your step.
To new hazards.
Knocking back.
Your resilience to extreme temperatures.
Range 5.
Bombs are up.
Watch your step.
To new hazards.
Knocking back.
Your resilience to extreme temperatures. Another failed test subject.
Oh, there's one more bomb.
Where?
Somebody get him up.
I got it. I got it.
Range 5.
Golems, your assistance is required.
Didn't see that.
Watch your step.
This should prove terminating.
Watch your step.
To new hazards.
Golems.
Looking back.
To extreme temperatures.
Crap tools,
Failed test subject.
We're from random life tasks. Okay, okay. I just feel like you're in a Sims world, not gonna lie. Why? Because like the injuries and stuff just like seem comical or something?
Watch your step.
To new hazards.
Looking back.
To extreme temperatures.
Good job.
Good job, yeah.
Hey.
You're winner.
I did it.
Debatable.
Did you die?
Hey, Eli. Howdy, howdy.
No.
How's it going?
Then I did it.
Rex Delta.
Jim died.
I can
Oh, Dan, agreed.
enough at least to clear this lava and open
Dan.
the way to Sarkarat.
I'm beginning to question the wisdom of
Dan, did you agree?
I did not.
But we must stop Sarkareth.
Alright. Get all safe and sweet.
We're gonna take the next one too.
Too far away.
What exactly did you pay 3K Tails? You know what happened. It was a bit. Tindril is in combat with the two things. You should push down. Oh.
There you go. Take it down.
Alright. It's late.
Who gave me slow fall? I have wings.
He said scam for 3K Tails. Rip. Hey, it happens.
Alright. Warrior Monk.
But definitely a bit
Gurk
spicy.
Chest here, going once to Tindril for main spec. Twice. So, oh my gosh, I actually found him. I think that's like the first time I didn't say I can't find you when I had to trade something though. I've got some indestructible cloth bracers. Going
Think
once
you
to
lied?
Morty for main spec.
A little comfortable, I guess.
Twice.
Not this. Not now, not these days.
Alright. Got a plate belt. Oh, Mirror Thayer, do you have any interest in this for transmog, or are you good? Alright. Just going to Chris. Probably up in melee somewhere.
Nope, I'm in the back vendoring things, so I can't accept it.
Oh, I could vendors. Oh no. Also.
Got this.
Nice slap him.
So, what are you exactly doing right now in WoW? I am
yeah,
raiding.
family permission right there. Okay, so this is going to Chris.
It is raid night tonight, so we gotta be vibing and going hardcore today.
My dad's permission.
And then I have a versatility mastery cloak.
We're just doing a heroic raid right now, so it's not too big a deal. Just say, I don't know why it's so popular. It's a nice time to just relax and hang out with some friends, you know.
Square, group 2, green, triangle, group 3, purple diamond, and group 4 can go wherever they want.
Have Volpe
Hooray.
Have Volpe
I have.
or Mirather Okay, Volpe has. Mirather, have you won a main spec item this week? Let's go there. Alright, I'm away from.
That is true, man. That is true.
Fury for just me.
Who won the Drape?
I went to Mirather because Volpe was already on.
Is there an end? No?
I think.
It's an MMO RPG, like, you just keep playing, you know? You just keep going. At some point, there's not much else to improve on, so that's a good point to finish, but you can still find content regardless, you know? There's always a numbers game. But yeah, when servers side True 9. Yeah, every patch there is 8. But at some point, like, you know, you get skill expression, that's a big deal. Then there's always, like, harder content to do. So while there might be a cap on you, you know, there's soft caps on difficulty, but, you know, it's fine.
Just
Why
realized
is
there's
cheek
dragon
clapping?
face on the bottom of this thing.
Where?
On the floor.
Oh, there is.
What?
Yeah, seasons.
If you
Everybody's
were
ready
to...
except Jim.
I'm here.
On his
Everybody's
nose.
ready. Group 1 is square, group 2 is triangle,
5,
group 3 is
4,
diamond.
3, 2, 1.
4, I don't care where you go.
AOE incoming.
Yeah, back
Nope,
up.
nope.
Close.
Target you. Breath incoming.
Need the breath.
There we go.
Or did.
AOE incoming.
Soaps.
Breath
How many
incoming.
things on the screen, like 60 plus icons? Yeah, it happens. We have a good time in WoW. Because there's a lot of stuff on the screen.
Never mind. Good move.
Basically, all the stuff that's like along the bottom are my abilities. And then all the stuff on the left side here is like people things.
Are you on lava?
AOE incoming.
Yep.
Which
What?
one is for? Soap.
And then like I got duplicate frames over here because of course I do.
Target you.
Get those circles moved.
Breath incoming.
No,
Use
for the breath.
cookies. Go down a healer. Drink potions. Whatever you gotta do to stay alive. Bandages. Whatever.
The left side has few people.
Got it.
AOE incoming.
You and AoE incoming? True. Days.
Breath incoming.
Knockback.
Knocking back.
I did pretty well with my damage in that fight.
AOE incoming.
I feel pretty proud.
Soaks.
There's not gonna be enough people to soak though,
Fire is
so.
non-existent.
Diamond's non-existent either.
I got it.
So we'll have to use defensive to soak these.
The boss is inside one puddle.
Breath incoming.
We're dead.
Yep, just wiped it.
Looks like multiple people died to the throwback. Besides the lyric, were other people knocked in the lava?
I think it was the later one we just didn't have enough health.
Release. Don't release. Don't release. Don't release.
You're back.
I mean, you can release, but I can press you.
Because the knockback's like a big damage for all raid.
Yeah, it's wherever your back is turned. From the boss, I mean.
Yeah, I couldn't swim out of the lava fast enough.
Watch out, don't stand in the middle.
Oh,
God.
Yeah.
Oof. I didn't pull somehow.
Oh, thanks, Glass. No problem, guys.
The markers. I need more lock rocks. Thank you.
We should just pull the boss back to the markers because the knockback's like annoying in the middle. Hello, Nails. Howdy, howdy. Welcome, welcome.
that's what I assume.
I was gonna ask if we could sue them, but we don't have a priest.
Hurry up and pee, Mirathur. Real raiders have a bottle at their desk.
I'll do you now.
Real raiders. Real raiders have a bottle at their desk for piss.
I hear real raiders pee on their wireless headset.
Just reloading real quick.
let's go.
I'm just reloading. 1 second.
Damn
Sorry.
it. Reloading is taking too long.
I'm so sorry.
Do countdown.
30 seconds.
Alright, yeah, that'll be fine.
Oh, I was about to precast.
No cheapers?
I mean,
I am shocked nobody.
The bar is full, but the screen hasn't come back. It's just taking a second.
Dennis, you
Control.
here? Dennis,
What?
you said away. You were not. You did not hit ready. Are you here?
Angel, please, cheapers.
Okay. Try this again, guys. Try it again.
On 4.
5, 4, 3,
I don't have a target.
2, 1.
Attaboy.
AOE incoming. Target you.
Don't have it under the boss.
Breath incoming.
Yeah.
We can hear you humming, Volpe.
I'm sorry.
I like it too.
Well, it's distracting me, sorry.
This is why I stay muted during fights.
Sorry.
AOE incoming.
Pools, soak the pools. Breath coming.
Breath incoming.
Get one over here.
Knocking back.
Knock back.
Back.
Be like me, getting hit in the lava.
Not gonna lie, I was watching you right there.
We talked about
AOE
this.
incoming.
Did we?
Yes.
Is it me?
Oh my god.
Nope.
Yeah.
This
I'll leave you.
this group is funny.
Damn good whiskey you got there.
Right. Also, I always.
Breath incoming.
Is that enough for shit?
Say it again.
Not in the boss fight, please. Let's not wipe to this a second time.
I'll move. Ooh, you can move. Okay.
Just like that.
Just fine.
AOE incoming.
You're too slow.
You're right. Oh, I need some
Breath
heals.
incoming.
I gotcha.
Thank you.
Roar and 8. So please be ready for the knockback.
Knocking back.
Here's the knockback.
AOE incoming.
See.
Nice. Excellent.
There's more plate.
We gotta swim through the lava one more time.
There's so much light tonight. It's like-
Alright. Demon Hunter, that's you, Dan.
Nope.
Warlock.
Don't
Alright.
I need only Jim's validation.
That not
Here,
head?
give it to you. It's recorded on the stream.
It's a helmet.
No.
Head. It's
What
the head.
stream? I don't have a stream. Jim?
God. Alright, let's see here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's going to Mortanis.
That was
It's
begrudgingly said under his breath.
it's not a competition, but yay. No, Jim. I'm not gonna call it early. Stop this.
Pay
If you don't
actual
need
money?
sure.
Damn.
I'll quit. $100. Go.
It's all big $100.
Yeah, I'll take $100. That's fine.
Okay, it's going
He
to
owes me more than that.
Evelinia. It's going to Seamaster. Nine, you won something tonight, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And Seamaster, you haven't won anything yet tonight, correct?
No.
Where are you? Are you upstairs still?
I'm up.
Yeah, jump down.
I'll jump down.
Got some plate boots. Okay, one's going to Chris, the other one's to DE.
Tugs,
Okay,
tail,
numbers are
grow.
updated. Oops.
Clear the trash.
Wow, you want to hug a tail as well? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yanking Nyan tail? Wow, that's kind of gay.
By law?
Only kinda.
What's the law?
I don't know. Apparently, by law, Dan is second only to you in Glass's heart. So apparently, the rest of his family gets lost.
Did he secretly marry you somehow?
I'm saying we went on a date. to the sauna.
What?
He's allowed to? Okay,
Fire
okay.
elemental.
I mean, I'll trust you, because, like, it's your consent, right?
They were steamy.
That
Midler was singing.
When he whisked you away to help him.
He literally carried me over there. Like,
Help him.
I
Wink,
can't.
wink.
I can't.
Princess carry you?
He was. I mounted him. Okay.
Oh, now we're getting into 18 plus.
I hate this conversation right now.
I'll never forget.
Keep going.
Yeah,
I can.
No, please.
Very easily.
Best time of my life. He's quiet because he knows it's true.
I think he's probably just given up on defending himself.
Let's say he's muted. He isn't.
Oh, that's possible too. He does talk into his muted mic a lot.
He whispers sweet nothings to me.
You were never leading
I'm
us
not
to
getting-
Sarkareth.
Like what?
I said Happy Pride Month.
Oh, happy Pride Month, Jim.
Hey guys, everyone in chat, happy Pride Month. Hello.
Only this
all y'all.
You, sir, you are never allowed to drink again for a...
You can't. You
Happy Pride Month.
You have no control over me.
I think that was.
I have enough control to decide whether I want to be here or not.
You already made my weapon. Thank you.
Nine, you can do
Gay
a dance
rainbows.
sobriety test, test before each raid. You can decide how you want to do this too.
I'll fail.
I will.
So much gay. Damn.
Beware the gays.
Gays are the best.
Wait, is that MOSFET Rainbow Streaks? Oh
and
my
Underrot the gays
gosh.
does kill.
The gays will kill.
MOSFET's so fucking gay. Holy shit.
Where? Beware the gays in Underrot.
That's pretty good.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to kill situation.
Yeah, you did.
We have Pride Kappa.
Listen,
Kinda cool though.
Experiencing.
for the last boss, the gays will kill.
They will slay. They will slay.
Do I have any Pride
Oh, they will
things?
slay. You're... my
Should we
my
have
fault. My fault,
another-
queen.
tank?
Alright, Liznom.
Do we need another tank?
Liznom is probably the most
This
prideful
might be
thing I've
better for
got.
me than you.
You've got a
Go ahead, do it.
more full tanking set, I imagine.
I got this.
No, Dan. No, down.
Down. And dog.
Down.
Also, I can.
We take pride in Liz's eating of
Dude, am I
hot dog.
taunting anything, or am I just doing stuff at the end?
You're just doing stuff at the end.
Okay.
I guess I have like
Okay.
Electros, but that's just Electro.
Alright, everybody's ready. Let's try to do this.
Whoa, whoa.
5,
We got it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
We.
Don't go wee. It's not a wee moment.
Target you.
I thought this was brought to you by Nintendo.
Definitely is.
Situation, are you playing with your Wii again?
The Wii U?
Silly situation.
I keep my Wii U in the closet.
Hey, this.
Come on, it's 123.
Run.
Move.
It's very confusing.
Remember that
Apparently everything's gay.
area is going to expand.
Target you.
Support my brother.
Oh, taunt. Never mind.
Gosh, this fight I'm gonna have to
Cavalier, you want me?
run.
Oh, no, Jim's down.
The boss is still gonna explode one more time, right?
Run.
Yup.
Yo.
Yeah, I don't think that we're gonna.
Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Wait.
Might as well just wipe.
What killed you, Nine?
The gay.
Threat killed you?
The gays.
Yes.
Damn.
I tanked too hard.
Fun fact about Electro for you, Electro's actually your birthday twin. Oh, nice. Interesting. Electro's pretty cool.
After the knockback, can we pull him
Well-
further or back into the corner so he doesn't, so the AOE doesn't leak into the next area?
That
The
was
AoE is
area.
going to. that was
Yeah,
a mistake.
that was Tanks had died.
Ryan, it worked. Are you proud of me?
Yes. Always. I'm as proud as only a mom could be.
But you're not. Oh no.
What about me?
No.
Mayan, please.
The wayward son. No.
You're the only one I care about.
Wow, I thought you cared about Glass. Now it's only Nyan.
November 1st, you say? All right, 1
We
second.
had that moment, but I need Nyan's approval. He's like a father figure to me.
It's very fickle.
Too many whiskey moments.
No, Nyan's the father.
Perfect.
Glass is the husband.
Excellent. Saved.
It's different.
Don't try to understand situation.
And 3 days to Pete's birthday. Nice.
And he's not the father, he's the daddy.
Oh my.
I have decided that this conversation ends here.
I am, please. Please approve of me. It's Pride Month.
We're working on a situation.
Here, please. Yes.
Nine's daddy?
Nyan is always daddy.
You're gonna head to sleep, Elon?
Okay, so
Alright.
let's pull.
Yo, guys,
Well,
Nine's
okay.
daddy?
Jeff is also
Whoa.
daddy, but Nyan is daddy too.
Countdown, please.
Down.
Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Have a great sleep.
5, 4,
Por
3,
favor.
2, 1.
What's the wall?
Also your part. Nice.
Ready to run through.
Run.
Run.
I've got 2 stacks of the dot, use it defensive,
Run.
get low.
Run.
That's
What did you? Did you blow up a wall?
no, I just didn't run.
Run out.
Maybe you should try
Watch
that
your
next
step.
time.
I was never good at cardio.
Phase 2.
In the same quadrant.
Target you.
Okay.
I think this is a wipe because we're not going to get
Heads up.
DPS.
Well, and you got no healers.
AOE incoming.
Go ahead and wipe it up.
It's weird, it's like we called to be in the same quadrant or something.
Uh-huh.
Well, it would have been a little easier if someone communicated which quadrant we were all standing on the freaking line.
Whichever quadrant the tank's in.
The one where the ad spawns in.
Tank them.
They both spawn in each.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Figure out the paradox.
It basically comes down to you can make that decision, Jim, as the tank.
Stand in the quadrant as me.
I mean, we've been in the same quadrant for almost all of these fights. This shouldn't be news to anyone at this point.
Why was he tanked?
We're killing him faster.
Phase 3.
Do we need to release or no?
No release.
Don't release.
No.
We're killing him a lot faster. We're pushing him to phase 2 a lot faster.
He's still transitioning in the same quadrant he was before.
Was he?
I think.
I feel like he's
No,
like.
we're causing him to transition a lot sooner.
Yeah,
Doing
he's
a lot
like.
more damage.
You're just gonna be in the same quadrant as the moon. Okay? You're just gonna follow me.
Well, right.
That's what we're gonna do.
We typically don't push him here. We push him over here.
Doesn't matter where
Right?
we push him.
I just find we're getting there a lot faster. I think that's a problem.
You gotta learn to pace yourself.
I don't know how to do that. I just blast.
You should practice edging.
No, no.
Not today, bro. My wife's happy, I'm happy.
That's what's important.
Damn right.
Happy wife, happy life.
Reflask if you need to, eat if you need to.
Jim, am I still your favorite?
All right, you did your mod homework. Thank you so much, Merkson. Thank you.
Already.
Excellent.
Everybody, really, let's do this. No more wiping.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Purple towards the wall.
Ready to move.
Run.
Move. Ready to move.
Run.
Move. Watch out if you're on the edge, that flame section is moving.
Target
Spreads.
They're doing good against the wall.
Dan.
Yep.
Oh.
We're phasing it right now. It's fine.
And we're gonna push forwards this.
Shift over. On the wall. Shift over. Shift over.
Over here.
Towards Illyria, towards the moon.
Phase 2.
Remember to be careful with the MCs. Oh god.
Set situation.
So
he's up.
Run out. AOE incoming.
Bad guys.
And we can move on. What's corruption coming?
Target you.
Volpe, Killick, Dan.
Yeah.
AOE incoming.
So I went through the wall and I'm now stuck on the inside.
Wait until I get punted through. That's fine.
Yep. So, you know.
Up.
Pad switch.
shut down.
AOE incoming.
Ooh, I'm dead immediately.
Luna.
What's up?
AOE incoming.
Use the defensive.
Phase 3.
Watch your feet.
The quadrant.
You want to do DPS up?
Yes.
Come, Billy.
Too far.
He's too far.
Get situation.
Target you.
We stand in different pools.
Remember, you can CC, Shadow Crash, all the fun CC
Find
stuff.
shelter.
Alright, get in.
Or it would have
Find
been.
shelter.
Pools.
Get Jim.
I'm down after the free.
Yep.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay, we're gonna call it there for tonight, guys.
Find shelter. Find shelter.
Pick this up on Thursday.
We've only killed this, what, twice?
Twice, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you went to Electra's birthday, be like, hey, we're birthday buddies, and you actually met Electra the day your dad passed. Oh.
You suck.
What happened?
What happened?
Weird.
That quote sucks.
Unlucky.
What's the quote? I can't see it.
Good night.
It's correct.
Don't worry, I got you. Okay. We're professionals here.
Yeah, check.
Don't listen.
I'm tired.
Hope you have a great night, though, y'all. Thank you so much.
Night.
Good night.
Good night.
There we go. That was a good time so far. But yeah. Always sorry for your loss, Maddie. Second time around, yes. Always. Alright. Yeah. Here we go. Sorry. I was in the middle of a fight, so I didn't even think about anything, but yeah. Oh my gosh. So, hey y'all, I'm probably gonna call things there because things have been a bit exhausting today. I've got another assignment to do before my midterm tomorrow, and I also have a quiz before that midterm, so it's gonna be a lot, and I probably need some sleep ahead of time. Fit EP, right? So yeah, it's been awesome having you guys here, you know? Great, hey, thanks for streaming. Yeah, it's been great. Yeah, it's goals. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, it's been so fun just like vibing and having a good time with you guys. Cause like, wow, y'all are so amazing. I don't even know what to say. Like, fuck, it's crazy. Just gonna exit game here, head to normal screen and things. But, you know, alas, it is the end of the stream. It's time to relax and vibe and just take a load off, right? Get ready for bed in about 2 hours. Good luck, alright? Have a good time, Patty. Yeah. Still gonna have to try and figure out who to raid into. However, you know, whoever ends up being, it's probably gonna be a pretty good time regardless. I think I'm probably gonna raid into Kyo. Yeah, Kyo sounds like a good plan. They're doing a bit of WoW right now, but Kyo's always chill. I love Kyo so much. They're an amazing friend. And we also got to meet up at FWA, so it was a nice chance to just say howdy to another Canadian. But alas, I will let sleep take me, and we'll continue on with some more advanced streaming sometime soon, alright? I think we'll probably... I'll probably try and get a stream tomorrow. If not, I do have a midterm on Thursday, so it's gonna be like iffy. But I'll definitely get one Thursday night. So I'll definitely see you guys then, if not before. So yeah, thank you guys so much for showing up and hanging out. We're gonna do our raid, and I'm gonna get a raid message for you guys. But until next time, say bye for some tales, and have a great night. Ciao, ciao. If you don't have the cute fox emote, you can definitely use the Vulpy Fox of Woo emote as well. Or Vulpy F of Woo.